Hello and welcome to another Winstone Media food review. I'm here at the Olivia restaurant here in Nha Trang, Vietnam. Now this video is dedicated to one of my boys back home, Caden. It's been great to know you for the last 5 months, mate. You're a ripping young lad. And this one's for you, bro. They serve Italian food, they serve Mediterranean food. I couldn't get to the other Italian restaurant, unfortunately it's closed. But nonetheless, this one's for you lads. That's enough from me, and let's get stuck in to this food review. Anywhere? Thank you. Okay, you know it's a good restaurant when they've got a nice menu. Hello, how are you? You good?
I'm good.
Yes, that is good. Good English. A little bit. That's okay, darling. You're doing a great job. Can we order, please? We're going Italian theme today, so can we please get the pizza, pepperoni, small?
Small, yeah.
Yes, I'll get a ravioli bolognese.
Ravioli?
Bolognese.
Bolognese.
Yes, ravioli bolognese. And do you have any Italian beer?
Beer?
Yeah, do you have like a... Okay. We'll just go to the Tiger Draft. Beer towel, please. 35,000. And that will do for now, please. That's it. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Here we go. Great customer service. Probably come at a really good time too, because there's not many people actually here in the restaurant. But nonetheless, we've got an ice cold Tiger beer. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. It's the first drafty kind of beer that I've tasted, so 4 out of 5. Nice and cold, and a nice heavy taste to it as well. Here we go. Look at this. The pepperoni. Yummy. It's the first item on the menu. We're just going to spin this towards me. Oh, there we go. The nice sort of cutlery, and you know, you got it from left to right, which is exactly how it should be, by the way, to all those hospitality connoisseurs out there. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you very much. And cheese. Oh my god. Parmesan. Yeah, one more beer, please. Yep. Cheesy. The pizza base is quite thin. Good amount of cheese on there. Probably not enough capsicum and not enough salami. So about a 3. Okay, the pizza is now finished. Now we're on to the ravioli bolognese. It looks scrum-diddly-umptious. Haven't touched a second beer yet. But this is Monday afternoon eating, and I'm getting excited. Sip of this. And we'll add a little bit of Parmesan to the main course here. Let's have a look at this. Get that in there. Let's dig into this. Lele. Sensational stuff, good with the Parmesan cheese. We'll knock this off and we'll see how full we're getting in the next sort of 5 minutes. Enjoyed this travel vlog here from Olivia, the Italian restaurant right here in Nha Trang. Really delicious food, Overall, I'd give it a 4 out of 5 experience, including the beers, including the pizza, including the bolognese ravioli. But that's all from your boy Winston, and until the next travel vlog, I'll see you soon.